If you're drowning in digital to-do lists that never seem to work, you're about to discover why Things 3 might be the last task manager you'll ever need. I've tested dozens of productivity apps over the years, and while many promise to revolutionize your workflow, most end up creating more complexity than they solve. Things 3 is different. It's built on the getting things done methodology, but with an elegance that makes task management feel almost effortless. Today, I'm going to walk you through my complete setup that's helped me stay consistently organized for over 3 years. Let's start with the foundation, understanding Things 3's core philosophy. Unlike other task managers that throw every feature at you, Things 3 focuses on natural task capture and intelligent organization. The magic happens in how it mirrors the way your brain actually thinks about tasks and projects. The first step in my setup is mastering the inbox. This is where every single task, idea, or commitment goes initially. I've configured the quick entry shortcut to control space, so no matter what I'm doing on my Mac, I can instantly capture a thought. The key here is to make capturing so frictionless that you never hesitate. On iOS, I use the share sheet extensively and have the widget prominently placed on my home screen. Here's the critical mindset shift: your inbox isn't a to-do list, it's a holding tank. Every few days, I process everything in my inbox during what I call my organization sessions. This is where the real power of Things 3 emerges. When processing tasks, I use a simple decision tree. First, can this be done in 2 minutes or less? If yes, I do it immediately and delete the task. If no, I need to decide if it's a single action or part of a larger project. Single actions get sorted into areas like personal, work, or finance. Multi-step endeavors become projects. Areas are perhaps the most underutilized feature in Things 3. Think of them as the major spheres of responsibility in your life. I have 6 areas: work, personal development, health, relationships, finance, and home. Every project and standalone task lives within an area. This creates a natural hierarchy that prevents that overwhelming feeling of having tasks scattered everywhere. Projects are where Things 3 really shines. When I create a project, I immediately add all the tasks I can think of, even if they're vague. For example, if I'm planning a vacation, I'll add tasks like research destinations, book flights, arrange pet care, and pack bags. The beauty is that I can set deadlines for individual tasks within the project, and Things 3 intelligently surfaces what needs attention. Here's a pro tip that changed everything for me: use the notes section extensively. In each project, I keep a running log of decisions made, resources found, and random thoughts. This turns your projects into complete reference systems, not just task lists. The scheduling system in Things 3 deserves special attention. I rarely use hard deadlines because most tasks aren't truly deadline-driven. Instead, I rely heavily on the this evening and someday features. This evening is perfect for tasks I want to consider later today but not necessarily complete. Someday is for tasks that aren't actionable right now but I don't want to forget. My daily workflow revolves around the today view. Each morning, I spend 5 minutes reviewing what's automatically appeared based on my scheduling, then I consciously pull in additional tasks from my projects and areas based on my energy and available time. This intentional selection process prevents overcommitment and creates realistic daily plans. Tags are the secret sauce for advanced organization. I use a simple system: context tags like calls, computer, and errands for grouping tasks by what's needed to complete them, and status tags like waiting for tasks blocked by other people. The key is keeping your tag system minimal. I've seen people create 20 or 30 tags and it becomes counterproductive. One feature that sets Things 3 apart is natural language input. When I type "call dentist next Tuesday at 2 p.m., it automatically schedules the task. When I write "review quarterly reports every 3 months," it creates a repeating task. This feels much more natural than clicking through multiple menus and date pickers. The weekly and monthly review process is crucial for long-term success. Every Sunday, I review my projects to see what's progressing and what's stalled. Monthly, I review my areas and someday list to see what might be ready to become active projects. This regular maintenance keeps the system fresh and prevents digital clutter. Things 3 isn't perfect for everyone. If you need detailed time tracking, extensive collaboration features, or complex project dependencies, you'll need something else. But if you want a system that gets out of your way and lets you focus on actually doing things rather than managing things, it's exceptional. The setup I've shared today transforms Things 3 from a simple task list into a comprehensive life management system. The key is starting simple, being consistent with your capture and processing routines, and gradually refining your system as you discover what works for your unique workflow. If this deep dive into Things 3 helped clarify how to set up your own system, subscribe for more detailed productivity tutorials and let me know in the comments what task management challenges you're still facing.